Have you ever wondered what happens when you detonate a nuclear bomb in outer space? It sounds like science fiction, but during the height of the Cold War, the United States actually did it. Let's dive into the shocking aftermath of nuking space. In the late 1950s and early 1960s, the US was deep into the space race and Cold War tensions with the Soviet Union. The military theorized that exploding a nuclear bomb high above Earth could serve as a shield against intercontinental ballistic missiles. By creating a massive electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, they hoped to disable the guidance systems inside incoming missiles. To understand why they thought this might work, you need to know a bit about Earth's magnetic field. Our planet's core generates a magnetic field that extends far into space, forming concentric layers that protect us from highly radioactive particles from the sun. This field is why we have the stunning northern lights and why life on Earth isn't constantly bombarded by deadly solar radiation. Now imagine detonating a thermonuclear weapon near this magnetic field. The explosion would create a miniature sun, releasing highly radioactive fallout. This fallout would get trapped in the Earth's magnetic lines and could be deposited at lower latitudes, potentially knocking out electronics over a huge area. Theoretically, a well-placed EMP could cripple a nation's defenses. In 1958, the US decided to test this theory under Operation Hardtack. One of the most notable tests was codenamed Yucca. A 1.7 kiloton nuke was strapped to a hot air balloon and floated up to 85,000 feet before being detonated. When it went off, the EMP it created was over 1,000 times more intense than a ground-based explosion of the same size. This was both astonishing and terrifying. The results showed that high-altitude nuclear explosions had the potential to generate massive EMPs. And while the military saw the defensive potential, the risks were equally enormous. The fallout from such a blast wouldn't just affect enemy electronics. It could also disrupt satellites, communications, and even power grids on Earth. Ultimately, these tests highlighted the profound and far-reaching consequences of using nuclear weapons in space. The potential for widespread disruption and the unpredictable nature of radioactive fallout made such strategies incredibly dangerous. So what did we learn from nuking space? That even the vast emptiness of space isn't a safe playground for humanity's most destructive weapons. The risks far outweigh the benefits, reminding us of the delicate balance we must maintain with our planet and its protective magnetic shield. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the lesser-known chapters of history. Until next time, stay curious with Origin Explained.